Welcome back guys. Today I am back with a fresh unboxing video and this time it's a MIUI product. This one is the second installment of this MIUI Octave 1.0, which is a Bluetooth speaker and was launched, so you can see, which was launched 2 years back, almost 2 years back in 2018. Now I am having this newly launched MIUI Octave 2.0 with me to unbox. So let's get started. So first take a look at the specification of this Bluetooth speaker. It says 360-degree HD studio sound, super solid bass, play it on and on, long battery life, gives 9 hours of playback time at 70% of volume, waterproof IPX7 rated. So waterproof design allows you to play in any condition. It's a TWS speaker, truly wireless stereo. You can pair two speakers of the same model wirelessly for an extra powerful left and right channel. And it says portable, easy to carry, nothing else, reliable 1 year warranty, and that's it. Let's unbox it. So here we get this step for warranty registration. Take a photo of invoice and WhatsApp it. And here we get our Bluetooth speaker, which is the military green color variant. Let me remove this plastic cover. So here is our first look of this MIUI Octave 2.0 speaker. So let's see what else in the box we get. We get a USB type. Oh, that's interesting. Type-C charging cable. That's this. And an aux cable. We have the aux port also. And that's a user manual guide. Octave 2, welcome. It says, but that's not all. MIUI comes with a range of other products to redefine with your style. Wireless earphones. So let me keep this to the side. And let's move on to our speaker. So it says so good and so far. At the top it's the MIUI branding. I cannot recognize whose signature is this, but if you know, please write down in the comment section area below. Frankly speaking guys, I did not like these stickers. The speaker would look more attractive and classy without these creepy text stickers. Maybe I will later tear it down if I can. And now let's move on. We have these volume rockers, volume up and volume down button, and here we get lanyard light. Below it is power on off button, then play pause button, and let's see what's under this case. Here we get a charging LED light, if you can see here, a Type-C charging port, an aux port, and a micro SD card slot. This speaker comes in 4 more variants: black, blue, grey and red. So now let's pair this. Turn on the Bluetooth. You have to press and hold this power on off button.
Power on, Bluetooth mode. Device pairing.
You see, available devices, MIUI Octave 2, and it's pairing. Maybe this time, yes, and it's paired.
Device paired.
So let's play one of my own video. Let me reduce the brightness. Smartwatch. No other smartwatch gives this option in this price range. Next is 6-axis accelerometer. Next is cloud-based watch faces. 4 days of battery life. As per company claims, 1.4-inch colored touch screen. So you can 68 waterproof. So you saw the base, and guys, the most important thing, this is a 16-watt speaker. So now let's play our favorite music. Just a minute. You can see. So you saw that. You can actually feel the bass. And now let's measure its weight. So let me turn it on. It says 0. Let's place it, and it says 425 grams. And let's measure our MIUI Octave 1.0, and it says 321. So guys, MIUI Octave 2.0 is little bit on the bulkier side. That's all in this quick unboxing first look of this MIUI Octave 2.0. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, please dislike it, leaving a comment for what went wrong. And if you have any query about this product, leave a comment below and I will answer it as quickly as possible. So thank you everyone, and Jai Hind.